Yeah, show it off.
This is our nice awning, a nice little porch.
Whoa, it looks sweet through
It's
there.
about 8 degrees more in here. You just gotta watch your step there.
Yeah, this is like a skateboard when it takes off.
And it really is warmer in here.
Dude, but this, I have a wide angle, or something's going on here. It looks awesome in here. Missed the rest of the tent. These are a couple squirrels we got today. This is home for 2 weeks. She's, it's damn warm in here. I'll tell you that much. And it is... It is November the 8th at 2:36. That's our view from back here. And then, oh boy, this is the view from the rear of the tent. Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the tent life.